Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah. On today's video, we are going to be learning how to draft the perfect waistband. If that's something you're interested in, come with me and let's get started. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Here are the tools you're going to need to make this come to life. And here, like I said before, we have our pattern paper. So I already went ahead to rule a line, and that will become our baseline. So from our baseline, depending on the kind of band you want, if you want a 2 inches band, you have to go up by 3 inches. But if you want a 2.5 inch band, you have to go up by 3.5. That way, when you close half at the top and half at the bottom, you get your 2 inches band. But if you want a 2.5 inch band, you do the same but with half inch involved. That same thing goes for the 1 inch band. If you want the 1 inch band, you go up by 2 inches or 2 3/4 of an inch, and if you want a 1.5 inch band, then you go up by 2.5. And I'm going to go ahead and connect those dots that I just made together. Okay guys, just know that this paper is on fold, and if you don't want to unfold, it's still fine. So I'm going to explain how we got what we have. What we have here is 20.5. How we got that is by dividing our waist measurement into 2 and then adding 3.5 inches to it. So whatever your waist measurement is divided by 2, add 3.5 inches to it. Here I'm just going to go ahead and get the midpoint of the 20 for this. So when we get that, I'm going to go ahead and rule a straight line across. That will become our apex line. So what we're going to do is from the baseline, we're going to go up by 1 inch, and at the top line we're also going to go up by 1 inch. Now we're going to go ahead and use our curved rule. Now you can use a straight ruler for this, but the curved rule would give it the curve that it needs to have. So we're going to go ahead and use our curved rule, connect to the first 1 inch at the top, and do the same for the bottom part. If you don't understand what I just said, please watch what I just did. Thank you. Now we're going to go ahead and cancel out the formal lines that were there, like the baseline and the top line, and you can already see the curve like showing its face. So we're going to go in here by 1 inch. I did half an inch at first, but in my head I didn't like how it was going to come out, so I went ahead to do 1 inch, and I still do that here. So just go ahead and do 1 inch. 1 inch is better. Just go in by 1 inch at the top line and then connect that 1 inch to the bottom line. Now not the baseline, the bottom line, the 1 inch that we came up by from the baseline. So I'm just going to be putting my measurements down here. 34 divided by 2 to get 17. After getting 17, we're going to go ahead and do 17 plus 3 to get 20. Now you want to do this based solely on your waist measurement, not mine, yours, or your client's. After we're done doing that, we're going to go ahead and cut. Now please cut how I cut. I'm going to first cut from the 1 inch that we went in by, and then cut the curve to the straight line. Please watch what I'm doing so you don't make any mistakes whatsoever. So this is what the band is going to look like, and when I first learned this, I was so happy because it came out so beautiful. I tried so many different ways, but this takes the cake. This is really good. I hope you guys try this out for yourself. Really, I hope you get to do this, and trust me when I say it's going to come out so perfect that you won't even want to do the other kind of band you've been doing so far. So I'm going to go ahead and label this, so wherever it is in my box I can find it. So I'm just going to write band for pants and skirts. Okay, y'all, we've come to the end of the video, and trust me when I say, when you try to do this type of band, you'll want to do any other kind of band, because this is the perfect band. When I learned how to do this, I was like, yes, somebody else needs to know how to do this. So I hope you try this out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it. With that being said, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to love yourself, because I love you. Have a beautiful day or night, whichever it is you live for. Bye.